Hello there. In today's episode I will teach you how to clean the USGI, U.S. Army, MOLLE 2 hydration carrier. The information in this video will also apply to civilian Camelbacks and other hydration bladder systems. It is very important to clean these things frequently, otherwise mold growth would happen, and then when you start using it while it is contaminated with mold or other gunk or other garbage, you will get very sick. So it's very important to go and clean and maintain this hydration bladder. What I highly recommend, affiliate links in below, would be a hydration bladder cleaning kit. This includes a way to suspend the pouch and hang it, as well as brushes to clean the inside of the bladder, as well as the hoses and valves. You're also going to need cleaning tablets for the hydration bladder. While other people say to use baking soda or bleach, or even denture cleaning tablets, I haven't had any personal experience with it, but I had excellent use with the specific hydration bladder cleaning tablets. So, let's go and get right to it. So if you're at home, ideally you want a bathtub to go and clean everything out. You can also use a sink, but a bathtub is a way to minimize spills, have a lot of water to go and flush and clean everything, and to keep everything in one place. So to disassemble our hydration bladder carrier and retriever bladder, we're going to go remove this front cap and just simply unscrew and pull it away. And then at the rear of this, we've got to go take the opening flap, take our hose, feed it through. Like so. If things fall apart, that's fine. We'd want to have them be taken apart anyways to go and clean them thoroughly. But you should be able to go and separate the carrying case as well as the bladder itself. Then go and pull the hose away from the main bladder body and try and get as much water out. Give it a good rinse. One thing I forgot to mention, have a little bit of dish soap in handy or liquid Castile soap. That way you can go and help clean and get all this cleaned out. You're going to just need a little bit of it, just a few drops will be fine. And just rinse and flush everything out. So use your big brush, go and clean the inside of it and just scrub all corners of it. Top edges, the corners, along end there. And just keep flushing all that residue and soap out. Okay, besides cleaning out the main hydration bladder assembly, go and take a bit of dish soap, clean the brush, the smaller one, and clean out the valves and the hose. Also flush it with water as well, and get all that junk out. Do the same thing with the valve attachments. Use water and soapy water. Use water and soap. Okay, do the same sort of cleaning steps with the other attachments. So use a brush, use some soap, and just clean out the other attachments. And rinse and flush. Okay, so once all our components are clean, let's go and take our main hydration pouch and... Okay, with all our components cleaned up and rinsed, let's go and disinfect our hydration bladder. So, fill up this 3-quart bladder about halfway through. And then we'll go put a couple of tablets inside. So once you have your disinfectant set done, go and drain and flush it out again. Okay, so with our components thoroughly cleaned up, let's go and reassemble our hydration carrier. So, got our hydration bladder. Let's go and remove our little plastic insert and drying hook, like so. And insert our tube into the bottom tube socket. Have it be fully inserted so we don't have a leak. And then we'll go and feed our bladder into our bladder carrier. Just feed it into this little pocket over here. And go and insert our tube and feed it through our preferred side on the shoulder strap. Our open close valve, let's insert it. Our mouthpiece, our cap, no, never mind, we've got to put our cap, then our mouthpiece. And our last thing would be our bladder cap, which is simply put on and then screwed back on. And with it fully cleaned up, it's now back into action and can be ready to be used again. Now, you can go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you're very interested in this content. And go ahead and check out all the other videos I have on this channel. They're very informative.